Here I am at Mowbray in Dumfries, the National Centre for Children's Literature and Storytelling. Come away in and get nice and cosy. Sit by the fire and I'll tell you a story. And the story is Wheesht by Susi Briggs. Shug the dog loved to sing. A woo woo woo! Loved to sing more than anything. A woo woo woo! He would sing in the cludgy. He would sing on the stairs. He'd sing to the budgie. He'd sing anywhere. A woo woo woo! He'd sing when he was canty. He'd sing when he was sad. His family loved him even when he was bad. Ye nicht when the moon was bricht and fu, Shug sung out his loudest, a woo 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 woo. He closed his een and hauded up his head. Oh, Shug, shouted his family, can you no haud your wheesht? His family did love him, but they couldn't get rest, so they put Shug in the garden, thinking it best. Maybe's he'll get distracted and play with his toys. Maybe's that would stop Shug fae making a noise. Shug had nae idea he was doing their dinger. Shug thought he was a fan-tush singer. In the garden, Hutchin was snaffling at the grund, looking for tasty treats like slaters and worms. Shug says to Hutchin, I've been told to haud my wheesht, but I've no got yet. Hutchin shrugs his shoulders and says, I've only got a snuffler and jaggies on my skin. Shug looks up and sees Hullet fleeing silently in the air. There's a wise bird, thought Shug, she'll tell me I'm share. Shug says to Hullet, I've been told to haud my wheesht, but I've no got yin. Hullet thinks and says, I've only got a twit too, and bonny feathers on my skin. Shug sighs to hissel and finds Puddock in a puddle. She had a mouthful of midges and was enjoying a guddle. Shug says to Puddock, I've been told to haud my wheesht, but I've no got yin. Puddock gulps and says, Well, I've only got a ribbit and shiny green skin. Shug smiled and sighed. The moon was fu and bright. Shug held up his head and sang a woo 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 into the night. A bedroom window flew open in the next door's hoose, and the old wifey that stayed there shouted, Shug, will you shush?